And welcome back to my mom's channel, and I'm doing an unboxing video. Okay. This one that I'm taking out, the products that I'm taking out is the what is this one? The Raw Beauty Christy collection. So these two that I'm about to show you is the Super Shock Shadow, and the first one that I'm holding up is called Like a Moss. So let's show you the color. I like it. It's like a goldish color, you know, with shimmering. I like it. It's really nice too. See? Okay. Now the second eyeshadow one is called Campfire. I like it. Like, it has that like shimmer. I like it because it's like orange, like a dark orange, but not too dark, but not too light either. I like that. Look at the packaging. I like it because, like, you know, the texture of the name, and then it's glossy with the like mushrooms. I like that. I like the design on these. Okay. The inside is really nice. I like it too. I like all the colors in here. I like the West Coast color. I like that one because it's like the goldish yellow color. I like that one. I like Aminta because it's like a burgundy color and it just looks really nice. I like burgundy. That one's a good color too. And I like Let It Rain. This color right here. It's like a black one with like little glitters in here. I'm trying to see what color of glitter it has in there. But I like this overall. I like the packaging inside. I like the box, how the inside has flowers in it. It's really nice too. So that's that one. Alright, the next one is the Stone Cold brush set. And I like this one. So it's just like, you know, it's like a regular bag, but it's not too fancy. And it has like the little bricks drawn onto it, which is like, you know, cool. Then you have these brushes inside. I like it in the inside of this because it's like soft, but it's like, you know, not rough and bland, and you know, I like it. The texture of the brushes feel really nice too. Let's just like it. Like, it's like, you know, not too like loose and all. It's like, you know, maybe like, you know, to push your like your powder in under your eyes or something like that. I don't really know, but the first one that we have is called Bare Necessities. I really like the texture of the palette. I like how the back feels when they show you the names of it and have the circles. I really like that. I like how when they put the title of the packaging, it's like really nice. It's like a glossy, hard texture. I like that. Then I like how the little surrounding areas, like the stones and stuff, I like that. You know. Then we have, let's see what it's looking like. Oh, let me just show you this. I'm gonna show you the back. I like it because like it's pink, like a beige and pink, like right there. They both blend together. The inside is really nice. And it smells new too. Like when you open it, like you get that fresh new smell. When you get new school supplies, and it smells really good. Like the school books, they smell all brand new, like you just bought them, and they so glossy. Yeah. So what I know about this palette, these two sides are like neutral right here, Then you got these over here. That's like the darkish side. So this is like the dark side. So you got these two right here, which is like the dark. And then these two is like the neutral, getting into like the dark, just not too dark. These are like both blending them together. So it's like mixed with neutral, mixed with dark together. It looks really nice. The one I really like too is Tease Me, which is this one. And I also like Spree, The Talk, Silk Teddy, and Rumored. I would really like those. Ooh, and Idle Hour, I like that one too. That one's a really nice one. And Designer Duds and Spree. I like the whole palette. It's like really nice. They all blend together. It's not really like, you know, too much, you know. It's not too little either. They just go just right. Like the top two rows right here, these are neutral. The this one right here is like a the pinkish texture. It's also a pressed powder palette, and I also like the texture too because, like, you know, I like, it's called Stone Cold Fox. I like how the letters is because like it looks silver, but then if you look really closely, like you can see like different colors of it, like maybe green and maybe red. But yeah, you know, it looks really nice. I'm just trying to see if y'all can like see what it like is. And y'all should get the Stone Cold Fox and the Bare Necessities if you rather don't have it, because I mean, I would actually like, you know, wear it, but you know, I'm not the type to wear that type of stuff.
And y'all should get the Stone Cold Fox and the Bare Necessities if you rather don't have it, because I mean, I would actually like, you know, wear it, but you know, I'm not the type to wear that type of stuff anyway.
But for other people, yeah, I would recommend you getting this if you like those type of colors, like the shimmers, the glitters, the neutral colors, the dark colors, the purples and pinks, burgundies. I would like, you know, tell you how to get them. And this one too also smells new as well. I like the smell. Okay. Now this palette, yeah, as y'all can see, it's like a cool undertone colors and stuff like that. Like, you know, maybe for the springtime, maybe even the winter time, which is where we're heading to. So, right here, I'm just gonna, this also has neutral colors. Like, it really does have neutral colors. Like, right here, these two columns, they have, like, a light pink, and then, like, a beige color right there. And then you got these two, that's right here in the middle, right here, as you can see right here. Excuse me. They have dark colors, like gray colors, black colors. Oh, this silver one is really nice, too. Then they have, like, dark brown and stuff like that. I like it. Because then you have the two sides, that's the neutral, like the beige colors, the pink colors. You know that? Which is, like, two right here. These two columns. Now, if you look at the rows, now you can see, like, them getting into the deeper shades. You know, like that. Like, the top two right here, like, they start off with, like, a bright color. Then they end off with, like, you know, not a too bright. It's not, like, a really too bright color. It's, like, a pink color. Two of, like, a glitter type of, shade. Because the rest of them, you know, if you think about it, it actually has three. If you really look at it this way, you can see the colors. Like, oh, I really like this one. Caving In has, like, nice glitter in it. It's really nice. But overall, I really like this palette. I would use it. It's really nice. Colourpop did a good job. An amazing job. So, thank you for watching again. That was all of the packaging that my mom received. I like all the products as one side of it, especially the Raw Beauty one. I really like that palette the most of all. I like the palette because I like the, like, you know, the dark colors and stuff like that. And then with the Stone Cold stuff, I like the palettes most of all. Like, I mean, this got the brushes, but, you know, brushes, I'm not going to say that because I don't want to offend any of y'all. But I feel like, you know, brushes, just brushes. They got different designs that's really nice. But I feel like overall, you're just using the same thing. But I do like them, but I like the palettes better because like they got colors that you can wear in the winter time, which is not too overpowering. And then you got ones that you can wear in the springtime, like yellows and stuff. But in these palettes, the Stone Cold palettes, are neutral. So, like, you won't have to be like, in the springtime you can wear it, in the summertime, really any season. It's really good for, like, the winter because you can use it for cool undertones, like the beige colors, the, like, pinkish colors, like that. You can use them, well, I was going to say the fall, but, like, they don't really have that fall, like, type of pull you toward. Spring, kind of, but winter most of all because, you know. But once again, like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. Make sure you put your notifications button on so you can get every new videos. I might do another unboxing video. I know I'm gonna ask y'all should leave in the comment section some new ideas that I should do and some that my mom should do. I was thinking like she should swatch these and then swatch them on her wrist and show them. Because it would look really nice. Or do like an eye look on them, maybe. To get some ideas, eye looks about like what color she should use from both of these. Or just one of these. But she stays using multiple, so she might use both of them anyway. But thank you for watching. And stay tuned for the next one. Bye.